I'ma throw shade if I can't get paid. Blow you up to your girl like the army grenade. You can slide on my ice like the escapade. And it she get you yaya with the marmalade. Hey boss ladies, and welcome back. So we are here. It is day 3 of the challenge. I'm so excited for tonight's look. It's gonna be bomb as hell. You've already seen 2, so now we're on to the 3rd. Here's the new hair. This wig is so old and it still looks good. Like, I don't even remember where I got this hair from, like, but the hair actually still looks good. I was nervous because I had to like revamp her earlier. If you ain't watched my video on how I revamp my wigs, you need to see it. But anyways, I had to revamp her earlier, but I'm on to day 3 and that's enough talking. I'ma get to doing, period. Hey, so if you've been watching, you already know the deal. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow in the color Ebony to fill in those brows. I definitely sped it up because you can go watch, I do have a full eyebrow tutorial on my channel, and I also have other videos posted showing you guys in slow motion how I do my eyebrows as well. So I pretty much stuck to the same products for every tutorial. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color tan number 45 that I'm using to line under my brows. If you don't use this, or you want a lighter concealer, you can also use LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn if you are my skin complexion or lighter. So right here I'm covering my eyelids to use, and I'm blending it in because the concealer acts as a primer for the shadow that I'm gonna be doing. As I said in my other videos, like, each look was really trial and error in the sense of, like, I didn't really plan out what I was gonna do. I kind of was just like, okay, these are the 4 colors I'm gonna get on, and I'm gonna do something in hopes that it comes out good. And most of the time it did. So this is LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Chestnut that I'm using. During this makeup process, I kept on getting like hairs from my frontal, well, this is a closure wig actually, from my closure that kept on getting in the way, and it was so irritating. But I tried to do like those curly edges because I thought it would give me like a good look with the outfit, So I just used the excess concealer to cover up some of my dark marks that I have. My skin has definitely been clearing up. If you watch some of my older videos, you'll see I had way more dark marks. I'm less conscious about it now, but I'm still working on it. Definitely will show you guys what I've been doing with my skin routine. And I'm setting in that concealer with Sacha Buttercup setting powder as per usual. You guys suggest in the comments down below some setting powder options. Like, what are your favorite setting powders? I'm definitely open to trying new things. So right here I'm going in with the same Morphe palette that I used in my last video, the 3503 Fierce by Nature, and I'm using a dark green color to use as my transition shade. I ended up changing the brush that I was using because the original one that I chose was not really placing the color on my eyelid. I think the one that I started using was a better option for just blending in general as opposed to placing the color on the eyelid. I hope that makes sense. Trial and error, y'all. So you want to fill in that corner. So now I'm going in with some more concealer and I'm trying to just put it over my lid so that the next two colors I use are super pigmented and that it is defined when I place the color on my eye. I'm definitely getting better at this. Like, looking at my first video compared to now when I started, you know, trying to do this part, I feel like it always looked crazy, but now it's like, okay sis, like, improvement. Alright, so here I am using a light green color, and it also has like a shimmer to it, like it's like a glittery light green color. And this is so pretty, and I feel like it came on really nice, and I was just like, I'm gonna really like this look. I'm a fan. So right here, I'm so sorry that I came out of focus really quickly, but right here I'm putting on a nude color. Like, this is like a tan shade, and I'm actually using a Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette to put on this nude color. And I'm gonna put on the nude, and later on I'm gonna be adding a glittery color that's a light shade that also matches it, so that it can have an even better blend with the glittery green color. So right here I'm putting on that like glittery, some shimmer, and you all may not see it as well as I do, but it's there. So right here I'm just going back in and just deepening that transition color to make it a nice blend. Wait. Me guya. Me copa. Hey. Me copa. Whoa. So I had to show y'all how I really be jamming out to some compa music while I'm bumping. If you didn't know, I'm a Haitian queen. And right now I'm just going in and I'm blending that foundation. As I said in my last video, less is more. So I start with less color and I add more as I go. Ooh, girl, you're looking like you like what you see. I like what I see. That's why I sang that. I'm a hot mess, y'all. So right here, this was another moment where I felt like it was so hard to blend and not mess up like what I did with my hair. Like, I was just like, how am I about to do this and not mess up these edges? I continuously had to press them down to like for them to stay in place. Like, they would just like come up, and it was just so annoying. But let's get into this highlight, baby. I love when I look so focused. I'm just like in tune with what's happening. And y'all already knows my favorite part. Pat, 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 pat. Blend it in, beat that thing, blend it in, beat that thing, I'm about to make a little dance to that song. Pat, 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 pat. Hey, blend it in, put it in. Alright, let me stop. So you already know I'm going in, blending in all of that highlight. I sped it up for y'all because, you know, you have hopefully watched this part. If you haven't, check out my last 2 videos. And right here, I'm just putting in the contour shade. This is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color number 65. And we're gonna blend in this contour. We gonna blend that thing with what you all know as my currently favorite contouring brush. And I thought the contour was too much, and then I went over it, and then I was like, I needed to put more. You know, makeup is really art. Makeup is really art. It's about seeing the depth in your face, the shape, knowing where certain colors look best and create the most definition. So sometimes it's just a matter of understanding your own bone structure so that you can get the most ideal look for yourself, you know. So right here I'm going in and I'm setting my face. Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And honestly, like, baking is really one of my favorite parts. Like, I just feel like I can see how everything is like coming together, and just like once the face is mattified, like, it just looks so good. So like once I bake and I bronze and everything, I'm just like, wow, girl, like, you really look like a goddess. And this is how you should speak to yourselves, lady. Like, affirm yourself, like, talk to yourself heavy, because honestly, once you do that, you don't need validation from anybody else. So right here I'm going in with some NYX white liner that I got, and after I put it on, I was like, wow, I kind of wish I had like a nude one that was like the same color as the eyeshadow nude that I had used. I still think that the white worked, but I think a nude would have been more ideal. Like, I feel like the white was almost a little extreme. Let me know what y'all think. So right here I'm bronzing up my face. Put some of that color back in. Pressing down those edges that refuse to stay down. But it's okay. All right, we going ahead and we lining. Doing the same lip color that I did. You know, I definitely mentioned that I need some new lip colors. I actually ordered some new lip colors from Morphe, and maybe I'll do a lipstick swatch for you all and show you some of the nudes that I got, you know, for my brown skin girls. Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls, the best thing in the world. That's how I was feeling like. So I'm gonna go ahead and get glossed up, and that will be the end of this look before I, you know, go ahead and add in my hair clips for accents and put on my color. But this is the makeup look, and I'm really loving her. Like, I'm really loving her. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. I felt like I looked like Buttercup from the Powerpuff Girls. Wait, no, not Buttercup. Buttercup, Blossom, and I can't believe I forgot the other one's name. Somebody, if you're watching this, comment down below the other Powerpuff Girls name that I'm forgetting. I need to know. Did that, period. Alright, y'all, so I'm done the green makeup look. Tell me what you guys think. I think this is so different for me. I am a fan. Y'all, I need some new lip colors though, because I definitely think a different lip color would have like slapped, you know. But let me go ahead and get my outfit on, and I will be back just for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my photo shoot. Let me know what y'all think. Like, this is such a vibe. I'm jacking it. What are you jacking? What are you jacking? Alright, so I have on this, like, I don't know what this material is called, but it's green, and I feel like this is a vibe. You know what, I actually think I'm gonna do this look with no gloss. I think I'm going to just, like, once the gloss kind of comes off, like, refilling my lips with no gloss, and I think I'm gonna like it more without the gloss. But period, this is a good look. Let me know what y'all think, because I'm feeling it. I would actually go outside like this, like I think, would y'all go outside? Like, period. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my shoot. Hey boss ladies, so thank you so much if you're still tuned into this video. You're still keeping up with the challenge. This is so much fun. Third wig, fourth, I'm about to say third wig, fourth look. No, third wig, third look, period. So I'm gonna be moving on to the fourth one, and we are gonna be doing blue. I don't know how it's gonna go yet. I have a couple ideas in my head about what I want to do, but I am just so proud of myself for challenging myself to do this, for trying new makeup. Like I said, I definitely need to get some more lip colors, because your girl is like, this could have been like from a 9 to an 11 with some different lip colors. But like I said, make sure y'all comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you join the boss family, because we're doing the damn thing. We're getting confident. We're changing our looks up this summer. We doing the damn thing. Okay, ladies.